Hey there, working with international clients. Using multi-currency invoicing in FreshBooks lets you bill in your client's local currency, making it easier for them to pay and for you to track foreign income. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to set it up. First, enable multiple currencies in your account settings. Then, in each client's profile, you can set the default currency. When you create an invoice for that client, it will automatically use their currency. FreshBooks will convert the amounts using current exchange rates. You can also see reports that show your income in your home currency, with conversions. My crucial pro tip: lock the exchange rate on the invoice. When creating the invoice, FreshBooks uses the day's rate. Once you send it, the rate is locked for that invoice. This protects you and your client from exchange rate fluctuations during the payment period. That's how you expand your business globally while managing currency complexity. Do you have clients in multiple countries? What's the most common foreign currency you bill in? Let me know in the comments. For more guides on international business, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.